Hi everyone, today we're talking about mood boards and how to create them, how we create them for our clients, and how that leads into great design. So here at Trademark Interiors, we call ours design style. So ultimately our mood boards kind of lean into design style, and that leads our design throughout the entire process. So oftentimes we'll start with Pinterest, asking our clients to share some ideas that they have found on Pinterest that they love, that inspire them. We also utilize Howl's idea boards there as well. So we collect their ideas and images. We talk through our process, which is answering questions, lifestyle questions through our customized questionnaire. We really get to know what they're looking for, what their likes and what their dreams are. And then we take all that and then we do our own kind of research and obviously develop the design style, or mood board you could call it. So the first page of one of our mood boards is a color story. So here's a great color story. It's super, obviously has great pops of color, very bold, mixed in with some neutral. So what we like to do is bring in some imaging that incorporates lots of different ideas other than just interior. So we like fashion, jewelry, food, cocktails, nature, all of those things we bring in to kind of communicate overall the color story. So some of these items might be base neutral colors that are like really prevalent throughout the whole design. And then maybe, you know, this beautiful royal blue color, you know, maybe those are just like little tiny accents or art. But on the other hand, maybe that's a very dramatic space in the home. You know, maybe it's a whole room that's blue. So these are used in different ways, but we love to use all these different images of different parts of the world to kind of communicate to our clients how that pulls together and looks really cohesive and beautiful as it will in their home. So that we always start with the color story first. And then after the color story, we work on fit and finish. And if you don't know what that means, fit and finish means the materials used to build the home. And so looking at the hard materials, it's super important to, again, create that mood and come up with the vibe that we want to design to throughout the home. So here we will use inspiration images that we have found during our research that really help to communicate some key ideas. And through those ideas, we'll spend some time with our clients talking through the details of each picture. So for instance, like a staircase design, we might talk about like, you know, do we love glass? Do we love a metal finish? And why would it work with a modern interior or a transitional interior? We might talk about different styles that we would use in cabinetry for bathrooms and kitchen, and we really dive into the details on that. And this would also include things on plumbing finishes and lighting finishes, and all of those things we need to really pull the home together. So fit and finish is a really important part, and oftentimes we'll have several pages of fit and finish to talk through with our clients on their design style. The last portion of the design style is furnishings. So we kind of do the same thing we do with fit and finish, but this is with the furniture part. So very detailed, lots of pages to go over for a whole home design. And again, we're talking about all the little bits and pieces. So, you know, do we like, you know, chairs with wood frames or fully upholstered chairs? Do we like, you know, metal bar stools versus wood? Do we like fully upholstered? So we kind of talk about all these concepts that, you know, all of these will work beautifully within the style of the home, but what are the preferences that really speak to our client? And that's how we personalize the experience. So once we have that really fine-tuned and narrowed down, the client signs off on it, then we have a great working document to last throughout the process. So again, we call this our design style. You can also call it a mood board, but we also have some physical mood boards in the office. That's just for general inspiration. And we create some special mood boards on Pinterest, so you can follow us there as well. Hope that helps. Hope you have fun designing your mood board and follow along.